Hey guys, it's Sandra and from Internet Lifestyle Pros. And Internet Lifestyle Pros is basically a funnel for PLS, which is the Power Lead system. And it also, the Power Lead system is in the back office, is one of the products of the Internet Lifestyle Pros, or is the product. And Internet Lifestyle Pros is basically a funnel to the Power Lead system. And they have training in the back. So the training is step by step. It's easy to learn. Um, Even a newbie, brand newbie, could follow the directions, because in the Power Lead system they have a lot of training, and you should go in there and look at the training if you are a part of the Power Lead system. And if you are a part of this Power Lead system, all you have to do is go into the back office of the Internet Lifestyle Pros and connect your ID, your Power Lead system ID, to the back of this system so that you can have all the training also. And the training in the Power Lead system is still important. You should still go through that, because they go over things that you need to know, but sometimes it could be a little confusing. So the training we have in here is it is easier. It's step by step. And I just want to show you how it's working. Now today I received a new Gold member, and as you can see, I have a lot of people filling out the opt-in forms, which are leads. Okay, so don't be disappointed if you just see that, because those are still leads, and you need those leads because you can always talk to them and keep in contact with them. All right, so basically this is great. So you can see that this is giving you leads, and this is what you need for your business. And it doesn't matter what business you have, you can connect it to the Power Lead system. So you need leads for your business, and this is what you get. Right? So right here, I got 13 on this day, I got 24 on this day. So you need leads for your business, and we teach you how to do that. We teach you how to get leads, free way and the paid way. So basically, today I want to talk about how to take action. And there's a lot of ways to take action in your business, but when you're new and you don't know what you're doing, the best thing to do is, when you join a business, is to go to the back office, to the training, and look over the training. You take one training at a time. Okay, they may have training on Facebook ads, how to post how to put up a Facebook ad, how to use Twitter, maybe how to use Instagram, or how to use YouTube. They have sometimes some businesses, they have a lot of training in the back, and they show you how to use these tools to help you to get people to eyeballs to your business, right? So let's say they have a YouTube training, and you say, okay, I think I'm going to start making YouTube videos, and I'm going to learn how to do that. And so they're going to train you. You look at the video, and you look at the video. If you have to look at it over and over, 2 or 3 times, look at it. Make sure you have take your notes, and then you apply what they are telling you in the video. You do what they are telling you in the video, and this is how you take action. Okay, you cannot be afraid. You just have to do it. You don't even have to show yourself in the video if that's what you're afraid of. I'm not showing myself right now. So you don't have to show your video. It doesn't matter. Just do the video and don't be afraid. There's so many ways to take action, and there's so many ways to take action. But you have to do it one step at a time. One step at a time. So you do one training at a time, and you do that for about 3 days, and then after that, you apply another training. Let's say it's on Instagram or whatever. You apply that, and then you keep on and on, but you keep applying every day a new training until you have gotten used to it. Okay? So you know what? If you're struggling in your own online business and you want to learn how to market the proper way, not by hitting up your family and friends, or posting in Facebook groups, spamming people with your links, then we can teach you how to build an online business. We can teach you how to build an online business. Just click the link below this video for more information on how you can build an online business and get more training. Okay, so also like this video, share it if you want to, and thank you for listening, and remember, you must hustle.